So you just basically take this and you stick it kind of down in your armpit a little bit.
Oh, you got to do an armpit willing.
Yeah, and then you just like.
Wow.
I gotta get a little bit better position.
Yeah, bring the mic down some. There you go.
I turn it up too.
Wow.
Oh, I'm struggling. I gotta get my.
I'm
I
fascinated
gotta
by
get
this.
pitted properly.
Okay.
And if you're standing, yeah. So try it.
All right, here we go.
All right, I'll turn it up.
I got this. Hang on. Let's try again. Yo, I felt that one. It's like when you fart and you don't hear it, but you feel it roll up your back. It was one of those. All right.
This is real.
This is one of the deep ones, baby.